Hello friends, now I am going to show you how to prepare the online question paper. Now everyone have a Google Chrome in your mobile. So choose the Chrome, write here Google form, and then go. After writing the Google form, don't choose the first link. Click on the second link, that is Google form. Now this screen will appear on your mobile. Then go to Google form. Now this form will appear on your mobile. Now firstly you have to choose the theme. In the theme, choose first a header image. Then this is preparing for the school, so use work and school option, and then insert image. After choosing one image, click on the insert. Now your header image is set here. Now choose the color and then add. Then choose background color. Then choose the font size style. So I here choose a basic and then click on apply. Now this your header image is set. Now click on the untitled option and write here name of our school. Little Scholar Public School, Nanded. Now after writing in the form description, write here class, for which class you are going to prepare a paper. So I am writing here 10th class. Now give the space. Now write a subject, which subject paper you are going to prepare. Now I am going to prepare for my math subject, so I will write here mathematics. Now you can write your name also. Now after writing this is your first question, but now I am using this first question space for some required fields. Means student should write their name compulsory. So choose here short answer because the name is in the data, in the text, and click on the required button. It means that when students are going to solve the question paper, it is compulsory to write their name. Now I want the second session, so I will click on the plus button. See here, plus button is there. Okay, now the next session come. Now after that you have the students should write their mobile number also. So I will write here mobile number. Then this is also a short answer. Now number is length of the number. Obviously the mobile number, so length is 10 digits. So write here 10. Now if the number is wrong or it is less than 10 or more than 10, then the message will appear on the screen, enter 10-digit mobile number. Now this is also required, so click on the required. Means when they will start to solve the paper, they should write their name and they should write their correct mobile number. Now I am going to start the question. Now again click on the plus button, write here question, a simple question I am taking here. Which of the following is an odd number? This is my question. This is a multiple choice I am choosing. If your question is paragraph short answer, you can choose this, and in the multiple choice which option you want, check box, drop down list, so many options are there. I am choosing here multiple choice. So I am giving here a choice, 4 choices. First is 25. Then again you want to add the another option, then click on add other. After adding it, you have to write here any number, odd number I am saying, so here it is 32. Again add option, here it is 24, and then add option. After clicking it one by one, now 1 2 3 4, fourth option is going, so 62. So this question I prepared here. This is also compulsory to solve, so click on the required button. Now like this you can again add, again next question will come on the screen. Now my question is set. Okay, now very important thing is that you have to go in the setting and choose the quizzes. After choosing it, make this a quiz. Click on the make this a quiz, and then you have to click on the save button. After that only this blue color link will appear after every question, means to enter the marks for the question as well as. Now for this question I am giving a 1 marks, as well as add the answer feedback. So add the answer feedback, correct answer you have to add it. Which one is the correct answer? So it is 1 minute. Which one is odd? 25. So this one is a add correct option, that is 25. You can add here also, or you can just click on the 25. 25 is a odd number, other are the even, and then click on done button. Now your question, this is required as well as for the 1 marks, and the correct answer is 25. Now same, click on the add button, you will get the again new session. You can add there your question. After that, this is to prepare the question paper, but how to send this question paper to the students? For that we required a link. So click on this arrow button, just I clicked, then click on this button, this link will provide you, shorten the link URL, this will shorten, then copy, and this link you have to copy somewhere. After copying the link, go back, and then so if you want to response on your Gmail or any email ID, you have to go the responses option. Now click here and get email notification for the new responses. Click on this button, means whatever responses, means how many students they are solving or who are solving everything by the spreadsheet, they will send you on a email address. Or after responding, you can click on this and copy this URL also. by this URL also you can open your responses form. Okay, so in this way you have to prepare. Very important thing is what, when question paper is there, click on the question paper and in the setting choose this URL. This URL you have to send to the student. After copying this, short it first and then copy the URL. This link, when you are sending to the student, by using this link they can solve the question. So in this way you have to prepare your Google question paper by using the Google form. In the responses you will get the response. Thank you.